So back when I first started lifting, I trained hard, ate clean, but still stayed small and felt insecure for years. Why? I was making mistakes that kept me skinny. And in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest mistakes so you can start growing without wasting time like I did. Now, without wasting your time, let's jump straight into mistake number 1. So when I first started, I thought the harder I hit the gym, the faster I'd grow. I'd copy these insane 6-day bro splits from Jack guys on Instagram. Endless sets, chasing pumps, and no rest days. The reality, I was overdoing it and getting nowhere. Sore all the time, exhausted, but looking exactly the same in the mirror. The problem was, I was confusing doing more with actually training harder. Activity is not the same as intensity. If you're a natural, your body cannot recover from the same volume as someone on steroids. What you actually need is progression. Now, building muscle isn't about fancy workouts or chasing a pump every day. It's about picking a few solid lifts, pushing them close to failure, and trying to beat your numbers over time. For me personally, this meant keeping it simple. 2 sets per exercise, about 6 to 10 reps, and increase the weight once you hit 10 reps. When you're new, this might mean adding weight or reps every single session. Later on, it will slow down, maybe week by week, but the goal never changes. Progress or stay small. I know the pump feels great, but honestly, it's just temporary and it doesn't actually mean you're growing. What matters is progressive overload. Training fewer days with more focus on intensity usually beats burning yourself out for 6 to 7 days a week. Stick with progression. That's how you grow. Now for mistake number 3, under-eating like crazy. This mistake kept me skinny for years. I thought I was eating healthy and I thought that was enough. Chicken, rice, broccoli, but I wasn't actually eating to grow. If you're a skinny guy, you probably think you eat a lot. I thought the same. But when I started tracking my calories, I realized I was way under maintenance. No wonder I wasn't growing. So here's a quick fix. Track your food for a week and find your baseline. And just eat 300 to 500 calories on top of that, and that's how you lean bulk without piling fat. And just forget about the bodybuilding foods. There is no magic food. There is no magic chicken or rice. What really matters is hitting your protein and eating enough calories. If you want a full breakdown of how to properly bulk, the exact foods, calories, and timing I've used, I'll link it on screen so you can check it out after this one. But the bottom line is, if you're not in a surplus, you're not growing, period. Now, every time I got bored or saw a new routine on YouTube, I switched instantly. I thought I was being smart, but really, I was just resetting my progress over and over again. Here's the raw truth. Boring consistency builds muscle. The most jacked dudes, the guys you look up to, they didn't hop from flashy program to flashy program every month. They picked a solid plan, stuck with it for years. If your program is proven, trust it and stick to it. Stop chasing shiny objects, put your head down, focus, and do the work. That's how growth actually happens. Now this one hurt the most for me. For the longest time, I wasn't tracking my lifts. No logbook, no notes, nothing. I was just going to the gym, not actually training. I'd show up, do a few random exercises, and leave sweaty. Training is different. You go in with a plan to beat your numbers. Without tracking, you essentially have no idea if you're actually improving. You might think you'll remember your weights for the next session, but trust me, from someone with experience, you won't. The difference between staying skinny and finally seeing progress is simple. Track your progress and your lifts and focus on improving every session. And I have to be real, ego lifting almost ruined me. I used to lift with terrible form, chasing bigger numbers because I thought it would make me grow faster. In reality, all it got me was pain, bad habits, and zero growth. I even ended up with a minor shoulder injury from ego lifting on shoulder press. And for a couple of months, I couldn't bench, I couldn't shoulder press, or train shoulders at all for that matter. Don't make the same mistake I did. Leave your ego at the door. This journey is a you versus you. So focus on clean form and improve slowly. Building an aesthetic physique is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So those are the mistakes that kept me skinny for years. If you avoid them, you're already ahead of 90% of guys who walk into the gym. If you found this helpful, please hit like. It really helps out the channel. And if you're serious about building muscle, check out this video right here where I break down exactly how to build an aesthetic physique. Start now, stay consistent, and you'll see the results that took me years to figure out. I'll catch you in the next one.